Hey guys, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. So here I am going into a more detailed look at some of the collections that are coming out with the spring release. This here is the Indigo collection, and there is a ton of stuff in it. So I'm going to go through each and every one for you guys. All right, let's get started. The first we have here is the 18-month vertical layout planner. So it starts in July 2021 and goes until December 2022. And just take a look at the discs here. And this is the 18-month big happy planner. But look at the discs. They're kind of like a bronze color, and they are the plastic discs. And on the front it says "Do all the things." And just look at the colors and the tones in here so far. I love the blues. They're look very much like denim to me. So those are the monthly, the year at a glance pages. And then you've got the July, and then this is the first divider for July. The monthly layout is very neutral, other than the fact that you've got the blue stripes going down the middle. And then the vertical layout is also very neutral. The only color that you've got here are the dates at the top. There we go. And then there is your August currently, and then the divider for August. So I'm just going to go through the rest of the dividers here for you guys. So there's the divider for September, and I'm actually just going to check. Yeah, all of the weekly pages look exactly the same, and this is the divider for September. You've got a bit of bronze foil here. October, November, December. Ooh, I really like that one. January, and I am into double checking. Yep, it looks the same. January with the bronze foil there. I really like that. It just reminds me of like older denim and tie-dye, the designs on here. Life is a journey, not a destination. And it's almost a different type of neutral, I want to say. Trust the universe. Oh, I like that. Happiness is an inside job. I really like the bronze foiling on here, and just like the paint splatters. Be present. And then lastly, yes, they save the best foiling for last. And then in the very back, you've got a notes page for just some ideas. So that is the big 18-month planner. The next we have here the big dotted lined paper notebook. So there's 60 pages in here, and you've got the mini light blue discs there. Really cute. So open that up there, and it is a dotted lined layout. So if you're not familiar with this, I'm going to bring it closer here. So it's not a dot grid, but dotted lined. And you get 60 sheets in here. So there's 3 dividers, and these are what the notes pages look like. So that's the front and the back and the second divider. I really like that. And the third divider. So you could definitely make this your own and plan a happy life. So that is the big dotted line paper happy notes. The next one that we have here is the classic 18-month dashboard layout. So I'm going to zoom in, and it's got the bronze discs here. And then on the front it says "Love Yourself." Sorry for the reflection here. And that is the inside. Oops. So it is a July start. And again, very similar to what the beginning of the big 18-month planner looked like. So you've got the year at a glance pages. And then starting on the currently. So there's July. And again, the monthly spread looks very similar. You've got the stripes going down the middle. And then there is the dashboard layout. So you've got the color on the errands box as well as up here. So normally when you've got a dashboard layout, that's where the color is on the errands box and in the bar above the days of the week. And then you've got quotes here. You can't always be strong, but you can always be brave. And that quote, it doesn't seem to be on every week. And there's the currently page. So I'll take you guys through all of the dividers here because I think, yeah, all of the weekly pages look exactly the same. So here's the divider for September, laugh more, worry less. October, November, December, January with the bronze foil. I love the paint splatter look. February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September. I love October. Oh, the last 3 months all have the bronze foil tabs. And then December is this one. I think the dashboards or the dividers are similar to, or exactly the same as to what they had in the big vertical 18-month planner. And then there is the back, which is a notes page. So that is the classic 18-month dashboard layout. Then, let me undo the packaging here. There is a classic skinny. So there's quite a few planners in this particular collection. So we've so far seen a big vertical, a classic dashboard, and now we have a classic skinny. So these come with mini bronze discs, and it says dream big on the front with the bronze foil. Got the year at a glance. So it doesn't have the different monthly year at a glance that the previous planners had. So there's July. But they have this. This is what the monthly spread looks like in a classic skinny. So you have an area for almost like a currently page, but then you've got the month laid out like this. And then you've got the color in the middle and then a box down here. So not as neutral as the vertical. There's a bit more color in the classic skinny. And then this is more of a notes page rather than a currently page. So then August, so it really doesn't have a currently page, and the monthly page looks like this. And then does it look the same? Yeah, it looks like the same in the weekly pages. So let's go to September, October with the bronze foil, November, this is cute, December, and actually I believe this is a 12-month planner, sorry, not an 18-month planner. January, February, March, April, May, oh I love that, and June. And then on the very back of June, you've got another So Many Plans page. So that is the classic skinny. And then, gosh, there's so many planners in this one. And then there is the mini 12-month vertical. So let's remove that, get this one out of the way. So the mini 12-month vertical, this one I may actually use as my social media planner for next year. So you've got white plastic discs actually on this one, which I love. Then on the front it says hopes, dreams, wishes, plans. The year at a glance. And then you've got these pages. What do you call these pages? And this one is a 12-month planner. It is not 18 months. 18 months would not fit on these discs. So there's July. And I believe this is going to look exactly the same as the big vertical planner. So the color really is just up here on the dates. And then the rest is very neutral, and I like that. And then the August divider. September, October. Oh, I love that pattern. November, December, January, February, March, April, May, and June. Really, really pretty. And then there is the back with big, or just some ideas. So very similar to the big planner. And then then we have a mini Happy Notes notebook. So, gosh, there's so many in this collection. This is a lined paper. So not dotted lines, but lined paper. And there are 3 dividers in here, and there's 60 sheets. Oh, I love the color of the blue. So let's get you guys to see that. It's got the blue and then it's got white lines. I think all the sheets are like that. So let's see. Yeah, all the sheets are like that, and it says do all the things at the top. So I'll show you the second divider and then the third divider. Really cute. And I love the color of those discs. This one is really cute. So those are all the planners and the notebooks. Next we have the Planner Companion Accessories pack, and this goes with the classic Happy Planner, and you get this Be Happy bracelet. I love collecting these actually. I don't really wear them, but I love being able to collect them, and I love the blue on that. Really pretty. So what you get in this collection is a dry erase board, pocket folder, 2 vision boards, 3 plastic envelopes, 20 note sheets, storage folder, stickers, and that intention bracelet. So let's have a look here. So first you've got these envelopes. I don't actually use these, but for anybody doing like the cash envelope system or just wanting to keep stuff in your planner, these are really great. Now unfortunately this one I feel like is actually too big for the, no, this one actually fits the mini perfectly. That's great. Perfect. So that one would fit the mini perfectly. So you've got the 3 envelopes. You've got the note paper. So the note paper you've got, it almost looks like a meal planning. Do days of the week and then notes here. And then on the back of that sheet is a dot grid. And then the second set of sheets are a lined paper. I'm glad that with these you get a variety of note paper rather than just the same one. So you can definitely, go back in, definitely customize. Then you've got, the dry erase board. I like this. So check it off today, later, and then happy plans at the back. And then you've got vision board. So these are the vision boards here. So you've got always believe something wonderful is about to happen. And then you open it up and you've got places to write your goals. What I would recommend actually is you can laminate these so that you can write on them over and over again. And then at the back, write it down. So I would actually recommend making these dry erase by laminating them so you can use them over and over again. And then you've got the storage folder, or no, sorry, not the storage folder, the, what is this one? I never know what this one is called. Pocket folder. And then you've got the stickers. It's just the 2, oh, am I missing one? No, 2 sheets of stickers. Really, really cute actually. And I love that this collection, the tones of the blues in here are really, really pretty and almost, I want to say gender neutral. And I feel like this could work for almost anybody. So that is the Planner Companion Accessories pack. And lastly, in the Indigo collection, we have the 2 sticker books. So I'll show you this one here first, and then I'll show you the accessory pack. So this particular sticker book has the usual 30 pages, and it's got 500 pieces in there. So you've got the, check boxes, so check it off. I feel like this is more of a functional sticker book than decorative. But you could make this work with a lot of different decorative stickers that are already out there. I love that. I like this one too. I love the denim look and the tie-dye look. Feels very 80s. And look at all the different types of, ooh, and the washi. Very, and then you've got meetings, do all the things. Ooh, I like those boxes. They look like they've been done with like a marker. And the different tones of the greens and the blues. Reschedule. I love these stickers. I love the ones where it looks like it's been, you know, with a whiteout or marker and then you write over it. Ooh, there's the bronze foil. Oh, love that. There should just be a page of just that design. Really pretty. Oh, the bronze foil. I didn't think I was a bronze foil fan, but I'm really liking it. Ooh, I love that box. Look at all those bronze foil boxes. Perfect. So that is the Indigo sticker book, and now I'm going to show you the accessory book. So the accessory book comes with these post-its here. I'm going to remove that so there isn't the glare. So you've got the the notepad here, and then you've got the sticky notes. So more functional stickers in this one. Ooh, wow. A lot of washi strips. Oh, I missed a page. Oh, that's a different color I didn't see in the previous book. So this is definitely way more functional. These don't have all of the words and labels that the previous one had. Oh, and letters. I love the letters. Oh, and blue. Love that. And then, oh, these are cute, bold and brave. These are circle stickers with the bronze writing. And then circle stickers again. And then the check it off, which is what was in the first book. And do all the things. More boxes. That is it. So that is the Indigo accessory book. There's 792 pieces. So there's the sticker book and the accessory book. So that is the whole Indigo collection. There is so much stuff in this collection, and I'm just so happy with the different tones of it. So I hope you guys enjoyed the flip through and detailed overview of everything in this collection. Please stay tuned to my channel, because I will be going through all of the details of all of the collections that I received in my box. And also make sure you're subscribed to the other squad members as well, because they will also go through the details of their boxes. All right, but that is it for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will include a link to this collection in the description below. And if you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a great day.